Welcome to Tiny Tutors TV. I need sentences for kids. I need of water.
I need water.
I need of food.
I need food.
I need sleep.
I need sleep.
I need a hug.
I need a hug.
I need help.
I need help.
I need my mom.
I need my mom.
I need my dad.
I need my dad.
I need to rest.
I need to rest.
I need my toy.
I need my toy.
I need a break.
I need a break.
I need my pencil.
I need my pencil.
I need my book.
I need my book.
I need to study.
I need to study.
I need to read.
I need to read.
I need my eraser.
I need my eraser.
I need to write.
I need to write.
I need my school bag.
I need my school bag.
I need my ruler.
I need my ruler.
I need my crayons.
I need my crayons.
I need to count.
I need to count.
I need to play.
I need to play.
I need my ball.
I need my ball.
I need my bike.
I need my bike.
I need to run.
I need to run.
I need my teddy bear.
I need my teddy bear.
I need to jump.
I need to jump.
I need my friends.
I need my friends. I
need a swing.
I
I need my kite.
I need my kite.
I need to dance.
I need to dance.
I need a bath.
I need a bath.
I need my bed.
I need my bed.
I need a blanket.
I need a blanket.
I need my socks.
I need my socks.
I need my shoes.
I need my shoes.
I need my jacket.
I need my jacket.
I need to brush my teeth.
I need to brush my teeth.
I need a nap.
I need a nap.
I need my breakfast.
I need my breakfast.
I need my lunch.
I need my lunch.
I need to smile.
I need to smile.
I need to laugh.
I need to laugh.
I need to be happy.
I need to be happy.
I need to feel better.
I need to feel better.
I need to share.
I need to share.
I need to say sorry.
I need to say sorry.
I need to listen.
I need to listen.
I need to be kind.
I need to be kind.
I need to be brave.
I need to be brave.
I need to love.
I need to love.